Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that's sure to make your cooking and learning experiences a lot easier. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Taylor Digital Timer. This versatile tool is designed to help you keep track of your time, whether you're timing a cake in the oven, keeping track of study sessions, or managing any projects that require precision timing. With its sleek gray design and stainless steel accents, this timer not only performs well but also looks great in any kitchen setting. One of the standout features of the Taylor Digital Timer is its super loud alert. This means you won't have to worry about missing the end of your timer, even if you're in another room or distracted by other tasks. No more overbaked cookies or forgotten boiling pots. The timer will continue to beep until you manually turn it off, ensuring you'll never miss a beat in your timing. This timer boasts a large display that showcases hours, minutes, and seconds, allowing you to count up or down for a full range of 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. This range is perfect for a variety of tasks, whether you're timing a long roast or a quick 5-minute task. The clarity of the display makes it easy to read from across the room, which is especially useful when you're multitasking in a busy kitchen. Another great feature is its dual functionality. When you're not using it as a timer, the Taylor Digital Timer doubles as a clock, adding even more value to this handy device. You can easily check the time while you're working on your recipes or projects, making it a practical addition to your kitchen or workspace. The design of the timer is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With its non-skid base, you won't have to worry about it slipping off your countertop while you're in the middle of an important task. It's sturdy, reliable, and fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, making it a great choice for anyone who values both style and practicality. This timer is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're a home cook, a teacher, or a student, this tool can help you manage your time effectively. For home cooks, it's perfect for baking, boiling, or grilling. For educators and students, it's an excellent way to keep track of time during tests, study sessions, or classroom activities. Plus, it's user-friendly, making it accessible for people of all ages. In terms of practical use cases, imagine preparing a meal with multiple components that need precise timing. You could use the Taylor Digital Timer to keep track of the pasta boiling while simultaneously timing the sautéing vegetables. Or, if you're studying for exams, you can set it for focused study sessions, followed by short breaks, to maximize your productivity. The versatility of this timer makes it a valuable asset in any home or classroom setting. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the timer comes with batteries included, so you can start using it right out of the box. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty, excluding batteries, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the Taylor Digital Timer is a reliable, stylish, and practical tool that can enhance your cooking, learning, and project management experiences. With its loud alert, large display, and dual functionality, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.